If you want to open multiple tabs on your browser and switch from one tab to another tab, follow these steps. Step 1. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Then here you can see multiple tabs created on your browser. And if you want to switch from one tab to another tab, press Ctrl and then Tab. To go back, press Shift and Tab. Ctrl, Shift and then Tab. To move forward, Ctrl Tab. To move backward from the current tab, Ctrl Shift and then Tab. If you like this information, very useful and helpful, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.